Hey guys, so if you're having hard time to select specific elements or layers into your AI file, in most cases we use the direct selection tools, and if we try to just, you know, try to, let me just remove that path there, remove that. Okay, so most of our problem is when you use the direct selection tool and you try to select the entire elements, some of the things in here are not selected. So direct selection tool is not the best tool that you should use if you want to select a specific element. Okay, so the other tool that Illustrator have is so-called Lasso Tool, and this is also available in Photoshop. So if in case this one is not visible on your end, you can go into this part here, these three dots, and just make sure that you double tap this part here called Lasso Tool. Okay, you can also use the magic pen, by the way. Magic pen is more into like if you are want to let me just jump in first with the lasso one. So right click the lasso, and then you just really need to um just just really need to just draw a line, make sure that you cover the elements that you want to select. Okay, I'm doing that, and then we can then use the group tool to move it over your um to move over your pen. Okay, and then now when it terms with the, let's jump into the other one, which is the magic tool. Magic tool is more into like it also works in selecting the entire group. The magic tool, let's try that. But it's more into the coloring thing. So what I mean is, let me just try magic tool here. Let's say I'm going to select that magic tool, and you'll see that magic tool is selecting all the similar color, which is white. And if you want to make changes to that, like you want it to be red, then it will select everything. So that is the like how you can use the magic tool. So it's more on globally selecting a specific color. So this is white, and the corresponding color with that will be affected as well. So at the moment, like I just want this to be just sit to each other. So I'm gonna use the lasso tool. Same and correct. So this part here, it looks like, so what I'm gonna do first, if you notice there's like an overlapping in here because maybe this one is underneath of this blue pen layer. So what you can do is right click first and click the group elements. Now, once this one is already grouped, I believe this is already grouped, and I will transform that or arrange that on the front part. Okay. You can also do the same with this one. So range front. So yeah, that's how you can use, oh, it's not the right one, but yeah, that's how you can use the direct tool, the lasso tool, and the magic tool. Hope it makes sense. And if you have any question, don't forget to comment down below. Have a great day.